Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix the finals error code TFLA0002 on PC. So basically what you need to do here, you need to go to the browser and then you need to go to id.embark.games and then you just need to log in with the Steam account. And then basically the problem is that if your Steam account is not connected with your Embark ID, you will be getting this issue. And as you can see here, what you need to do here is once you connect with your Steam or Embark ID here, you need to go to connected platforms and then you need to look if your Steam account is linked or not. And if it's linked, if it's not, basically, if it's not linked, you just need to link your Steam account with your Embark ID. And if it's linked, you just need to unlink your account. I don't know why I'm getting this grayed out button, but you should see unlink account. But after you unlink account, you will lose your all progress. But if you do not do this step, you should be getting this issue. So what you need to do here is to go to ideaembarkgames.com, log into your account and look if your Steam account is linked with your Embark ID. And if it's linked and you're getting error, unlink account and link it again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like button, subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.